Hello everyone. In this session, we will discuss Model 2 problems. So which is based on a sin x plus b cos x equal to c. So we should divide both sides the given trigonometric equation with under root a square plus b square. మోడల్ 1 ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఎవరైనా చూడని వాళ్ళు ఉంటే లింక్ డిస్క్రిప్షన్లో ఇచ్చాను చూడండి. అలాగే మన ఛానల్ చాలా మంది చూస్తున్నారు బట్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయడం లేదు. So please subscribe our YouTube channel. So without delay, coming to topic, root 3 sin theta minus cos theta equals to root 2. So clearly, which is of the form a sin theta plus b cos theta equal to c. For that, you should divide both sides with what? Under root a square plus b square. So here given root 3 sin theta minus cos theta, which is equals to root 2. Now, we can comparing with a sin theta plus b cos theta equal to c. Now, clearly, the value of a is root 3 and value of b is coefficient of cos. That is minus 1 and c is root 2. Now, clearly, a is root 3 and b is minus 1. So we can divide both sides with under root a square plus b square. Now, clearly which is what? A square, that is root 3 whole square. You can write as 3, that is root 3 into root 3, 3. Plus b square, minus 1 whole square, minus 1 into minus 1, plus 1. Clearly root 4 value is what? 2. Now, equation 1 implies, so here we should divide both sides with what? 2. That is root 3 by 2 sin theta minus 1 by 2 cos theta. On RHS also, you should divide with what? 2. That is root 2 divided by 2. Now, which can be written as root 2 by, so we can write 2 as root 2 into root 2. So one of the root 2 cancel. Now, root 3 by 2 sin theta minus 1 by 2 cos theta. So you can write this root 3 by 2 in terms of sin or in terms of cos. So anyone you can write. So root 3 by 2 write in terms of cos. First write sin theta. And root 3 by 2 write in terms of cos. Clearly we know that cos 30 is root 3 by 2. So 30 can be written as 180 by 6. That is 5 by 6. And minus, write first cos theta. Again this 1 by 2 write in terms of sin. That is sin 30. Again sin 5 by 6. Which is equals to what? Right hand side 1 by root 2. Now clearly, which is of the form sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. We know that sin A cos B minus cos A sin B is sin of A minus B. A is theta and B is pi by 6. So which is sin of theta minus pi by 6. Which is equal to, again this 1 by root 2. Right in terms of sin only. Because of left hand side we have sin ratio. So clearly we know that sin 45 value 1 by root 2. 45 right as 180 by 4. That is pi by 4. Now clearly which is of the form sin theta is equal to sin alpha. We know that if sin theta is equal to sin alpha, what is the general solution? See here the general solution is theta is equal to n pi plus minus 1 whole power n into alpha for all n belongs to z. Since what is theta value? Left hand side angle theta minus pi by 6. And what is alpha value? Pi by 4. Replace with them. So theta minus pi by 6 which is equal to n pi plus minus 1 whole power n into alpha value pi by 4. Now we can send minus pi by 6 on right hand side. Therefore, theta is equals to n pi plus minus 1 whole power n pi by 4 plus pi by 6, where n is belongs to z. So clearly, this is the general solution for given trigonometric equation. So go for second question. Sin x plus root 3 cos x equal to root. See the solution. Sin x plus root 3 cos x equals to root 2. So again, which is based on a sin x plus b cos x equal to c. Divide both sides with under root a square plus b square. Clearly, the quotient of sin x is a, that is equals to 1. Quotient of cos x is b, that is equals to root 3. Now, we should divide both sides with what? Under root a square plus b square. Clearly, which is a square? 1 square is 1 plus b square, root 3 whole square, that is 3. Root 4 value is 2. Now divide equation 1 both sides with what? 2. So equation 1 becomes 1 by 2 sin x plus root 3 by 2 cos x. On right hand side, root 2 divided by 2. So again, denominator 2 can be written as root 2 into root 2. So one of the root 2 get cancelled. Now clearly, we can write first sign. Sin x. This 1 by 2 write in terms of cos. We know that cos 60 value is 1 by 2. That is cos 60. 60 means 180 by 3. Next, plus cos x write first. Again root 3 by 2 write in terms of sin. That is sin 60. Sin pi by 3. Which is equals to what? 1 by root 2. Again same form. Sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. We know that sin a cos b plus cos a sin b is sin of a plus b. So which is sin of a. A is what? X plus b, that is pi by 3. Which is equal to what is the right hand side value? 1 by root 2. Again write in terms of sin. Because of left hand side ratio is sin. That is sin 45 means pi by 4. Again, which is of the form sin theta is equal to sin alpha. Clearly, the general solution is theta is equal to n pi plus minus 1 whole power n into alpha for all n belongs to z. Clearly, theta is x plus pi by 3 and alpha is pi by 4. Replace with them. That is x plus pi by 3 equals to n pi plus minus 1 whole power n into alpha value pi by 4. So we can send pi by 3 on right hand side. It becomes x is equal to n pi plus minus 1 whole power n into pi by 4 plus pi by 3 becomes minus pi by 3, where n belongs to z. So this is the general solution for given trigonometric equation. So next question number 3. See the third solution. Given root 2 into sin x plus cos x, which is equal to root 3. So here we can send root 2 on right hand side. It becomes sin x plus cos x, which is equal to what? Root 3 by root 2. Again, we can compare with the same formula a sin x plus b cos x equal to c. Clearly a is 1 and b is 1. That are quotient of sin x and cos x. So a equals to 1 and b is equals to 1. Now divide both sides with under root a square plus b square. Clearly a is 1 and b is 1. Substitute here 1 square plus 1 square, which becomes root 2. Now clearly this equation 1 becomes, so here we should divide with what? Root 2. That is 1 by root 2 sin x plus again 1 by root 2 cos x, which is equal to root 3 by root 2. Again, divide with what? Now write sin x first. Sin x and 1 by root 2 write in terms of cos. We know that cos 45, that is pi by 4 value 1 by root 2. And next write cos x. Again this 1 by root 2 write in terms of sin. We know that sin 45 1 by root 2. So which is what? Root 3 by root 2 into root 2. Now clear which is of the form sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. We know that sin A cos B plus cos A sin B is sin of A plus B. So which is sin of A x and B is pi by 4. That is x plus pi by 4, which is equal to, write root 3 by 2 in terms of sin. That is sin 60 by root 3 by 2. Now clear which is of the form sin theta is equal to sin alpha. So here we know that general solution is theta is equal to n pi plus minus 1 whole power n into alpha, where n belongs to j. So replace theta with x plus pi by 4 and alpha with pi by 3. So therefore the general solution is theta. What is theta here? X plus pi by 4. So which is equals to n pi plus minus 1 whole power n into alpha is what? Pi by 3. Okay. Now from this what is the x value? We can send pi by 4 on right hand side. It becomes minus pi by 4. That is n pi plus minus 1 whole power n into pi by 3 minus pi by 4, where n is belongs to z. So this is the general solution. So next try the question number 4. So here in question number 4 they given tan theta. We know that tan theta write as sin theta by cos. And cot theta, again cot theta write as cos by sin. And secant theta write as 1 by cos. And you can simplify. For next session we will discuss more problems. If you have any doubts please comment. ఈ వీడియో మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే ప్లీజ్ లైక్ చేయండి.